Hello everyone, my name is Luis Felipe. Let's my spell is this for you Luisfelipe. Luis Felipe. Age I am 12 years old. My first music I like different kinds of music but the sometimes I really like is this fight on the fight. My hobbies, my favorite subject are mathematics and the physics. My favorite family, family is this my cat. Is my name is Pancho. He is part favorite family. I love spending time to with times with times. Goodbye. That's about my thanks for watching. Goodbye. Thank you.